Hey guys, James here. Thanks for coming back to the shop. We're really glad you're here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little notification bell. I upload videos every Monday morning, and that way you'll get notification when I do upload. And leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see, whether it's something about fabrication, about the Jeeps, Lincolns, any of the other things that we do around here at the shop. We'd be glad to explain it. And we're always looking for new ideas. Alright, so this is as far as I got on this fender here. I ended up cutting it back apart, and looks like I'm going to have to move it back about 1 inch, so maybe 1.25 inches to get that to line up. So maybe it was a little ambitious of me to think I was going to put 4 inches in here, 2 inches forward, 2 inches back with the headlight. So obviously this is going to have to get pied more so that this flows really nice. And work that so that look at that curve of the old headlight just magically matches right up with that one. Bam! If I can get it awfully close, just about like that, where that line coming off the headlight will come right off of that fender, and then I can have a cool, like a nice high bumper coming along here, kind of fattening out, dropping down, doing something. But that's it. I'm tired. It's late. I've been working on this thing after hours, so I'm gonna try to get it at least drivable this weekend. Kind of tired of staring at it, really. But I really like the headlight mod. I'm just sitting here kind of admiring. It really changes the angle of the headlights, which will look really cool with a cool custom high bumper. Alright, so as with any custom project, things don't always work out as planned. So I hacked this front section back off now that I got the headlights in, and this was out here like this, and it was just too far out for me to want to save this edge. I didn't want to cut any more off of here and lose more material. So I'm going to take about 1 inch off. So really this is about 3 inches of spread. 2 to the back, 1 to the front. So once this goes back in here like this, that's going to come in there like that. And follow really nice along the bottom of the fender, or the headlight line. And I'll build a cool bumper that follows along on that. Okay, this is the final tack in here on the Jeep. I'm going to take it over to the bench now and finish welding this up. And looks pretty good. On this side is a little bit more butched, but what are you going to do when you're cutting stuff apart and keep reminding myself that this is an old Jeep. This isn't some show car, but I think this angle coming off here is gonna look really good when I make a custom bumper for that. Alright, so I switched over to the TIG machine, and I'm gonna go ahead and TIG weld this mess up. Alright, I couldn't resist hooking these up. See how they look. I think they look sweet. I'm gonna go shut the lights off. Well, it's really hard to get this on video, but it's about as good as I can get it. As you can see, these halos are pretty sweet. So they're all welded up. I'm going to do some finish grinding. I'm not going to grind too much. Just clean it up a bit and slather some plastic filler on there and smooth them out. These fenders were extremely thin. Very difficult to work with. I definitely, if I do something like this again, I will strip them down, like take them off, chemical strip them, get them down to bare metal without grinding them. Just use chem strip and maybe a wire wheel or something inside and out, because it really made it even more difficult to weld. But got this shape looking real good here, kind of flowing off that new headlight, and then it's just gonna come back there, trimmed up down there. That most of that will get covered by that plastic panel. So it's looking good. So tomorrow I'll sand these down, get some filler on them, get them looking good. Alright, I got the first round of the plastic filler work done. Kind of roughed it in. And now I'm going to go ahead and put a finer coat on. And hopefully maybe one more final coat after that. And they'll be done. Pretty good though, I'm happy with the lines. I'm trying to film the WJ, but there's this neighbor of mine that's making all this racket. Yeah, this guy over